Hey guys, ZedTV here. Welcome back to another video. It's April now, and we've now broken up from university for the Easter holidays, which highlights the end of term 2. A while ago, you might have seen on my channel that I did a summary of term 1 at university video. That will be linked below if you'd like to watch that. That did quite well, and I thought I'd make a summary of term 2 of university video now to compare against my term 1, see how this term is different to term 1 as a first year. So for my university, term 1 is September to December, so 3 months. Term 2 is January to March. Then we get all of April off. And term 3, future video, summary of term 3. Term 3 is May to June. These are the general term dates. They are subjective depending on the university and the course you're doing. For example, our term 3 is quite long, but I only have to go to university for 20 days because it's purely exams and some coursework. There's no lectures in that term 3. Different universities, they're different structures of term dates, so refer to those. Today I am going to be reflecting on how my January, February and my March went of university. Quickly reflecting on term 1 as a first year was really to get used to the environment. Most students were out from that city, from the rest of the UK, such as myself, or international students. Most people were living on campus. You'd get the occasional local students who'd be commuting from their home. The majority were out of city or international. Term 1 was really to get used to the environment, make friends, join new societies, try different things out and get ready to expand your knowledge on a subject you're passionate about, push your skill set and welcome new challenges. Term 2 had a lot more going on at the same time. By the time you come back for university after Christmas, you've already been in that environment for 3 months, so they expect you to have already learnt some independence. Obviously you won't be perfect yet, be a lot better in time management, take more responsibility. I'd say the number of lectures that I've had has maintained the same. Term 1 and term 2, I generally had the same amount of lectures, time, field work, labs to do. I took 5 modules in term 1 and then 4 modules in term 2, but that might be why it's maintained the same. Assignment wise, I had to do a bit more in term 2, resulted in me spending more time focusing on my course. Holding the General Secretary role of Asian Society, I've had a bigger influence in the events that go on. Our biggest event so far, we celebrated Holi on campus, required a bit of planning. We delivered that and it turned out to be a really big success with a lot of numbers attending. I'd say it's been one of the biggest events on campus as a whole, so that was really good. As we're coming towards the end of the year, elections have come up. So I put myself running for president of Asian Society, writing a manifesto, getting people to vote me. I find out the results of that soon. Do keep updated on the channel. I might end up doing that next year, which obviously means more focus on the society, planning and organisation, those skills being put into good use. In term 2, I'm comfortable around my surroundings right now. So I'm already quite a extroverted, outgoing person, but I've spent more time meeting more people, going on nights out, just enjoying myself. By this point, you know your way around the new town you're in, so you're a lot more comfortable going out by yourself. I've also had the opportunity to work with the university, so I posted 2 Instagram reels on the sport and social side of university, which university has paid me for. I work as a student ambassador, days where I've been helping out on open days, campus tours, visiting schools, writing blogs for the university, things like that. This term I've started working canteen, so I help with the catered halls and serving lunch and breakfast. I finished my training, hopefully throughout term 3, and also all the second year, all the third year I'll be working on campus across those 2 jobs, contributing to the financial aspect of my life. Term 1, lots of people take the same modules to get everyone up to speed, all on the same foundation before they start specialising in second and third year. We're coming towards the end of that now. Our optional module selection is now open and I've submitted mine in, so these are the modules I've picked. There was a lot of options compared to before coming to university and picking my modules. Most things were compulsory. I only had one optional module if I want to take that one or that one, and they're picking this one, modules to select. So I'm crossing over with other programs some specialists to R1. Whilst going through first year, I've realised, as I'm on the evolutionary biology course right now, I took an introduction to human sciences module and I realised, you know what, this is more interesting to me. This is something I want to look into. I looked more online on the modules available with that at Exeter. I contacted the head of human sciences and I realised, you know what, this is something I want to do. And I met the minimum requirements and I've been approved to move on to human sciences from second year. That's what my modules are based on. Should be exciting. Also, throughout term 2, we've had to be quite proactive and secure our housing for next year. 4 of my flatmates, 2 of which are my current flatmates in my on-campus accommodation. I will be living with these 4 people, all great guys, together in a house next year. We've secured that, putting our deposits, putting our referees, signed our contracts. These boys, I'm hoping to do some uni house tour in the future, some vlogs, some interesting moments going on. Those should be coming out next year. Different content, but keeping within the theme of university and education and aim and high. Yeah, lots of vlogs within our uni house coming out soon. Oh, this term has been good. I've learned a lot about my course, surroundings, my friends. It's made me confident and it's made me excited forward to second year and third year. Now going forward into third term, which I go back in on 1st of May, I'm going to have to do some revision at home this week or next week, as I have 3 exams to do, 2 assignments and a field trip. And that concludes the end of term 3. A summary of term 3 video coming out soon. Hopefully this was a good summary of my term 2 and I will see you very well. Did I just say see you very well? I will see you very soon.